एततुल्यं यदि मन्यसे वरं वृणीष्व वित्तं शिरजीविकाञ्च महाभूमौ नचिकेतस्त्वमेति कामानां त्वाकामभाजं करोमि. Ramakrishna says very beautifully, if a young princess is offered to you with the whole kingdom as a dowry, even then you don't even want to look at the face of the princess and consider even the size of the kingdom, you can be given sannyas. Not before that. When the sannyas is about to be given, if suddenly a young princess with the whole kingdom as a dowry is given to you, and not that you will look at her face and the size of the kingdom and then say yes or no. If you don't even look up to look at her face or look at the size of the kingdom and say no, then you can be given sannyas. That is what exactly here Yama is offering. And one more thing, when you complete the completion and travel towards enlightenment, the capability of pleasure will drastically increase in your mind. There is a possibility you can just be stuck with the pleasures. This is the danger. This is the danger. Edatulyam yadi manyase varam vrinishva viddansira jivigancha mahabhubau nachiketastvameti kamanam tvagama vajangaromi. Edatulyam yadi manyase varam vrinishva viddamsira jivigancha mahabhumau nachiketastvameti kamanam tvagama vajangaromi. I just wanted to chant this verse again and again. Because it shows, it is almost like a silly joke Yama makes. Let's see what the next verse says. ये ये कामा दुर्लभा मर्त्यलोके सर्वान् कामान् चन्दत प्रार्थयस्व इमा रामा सरदा सदूर्या न हि तृषालम्बनीया मनुष्यैः आविमर्त्ताभिपरिचारयस्व नचिकेतो मरणं मानुप्राप्स्युः. Whatsoever objects of desire are difficult to obtain in the realm of mortals, ask them all as though desirous. Though lovely maidens with their chariots and musical instruments, such are not obtained by mortals, be served by these whom I give to you. O Nachiketas, do not ask regarding death. It means, I'll give you bigger ship, bigger ship, bigger ship. And you ask best things of the world in that. You have a beautiful theater in that ship, beautiful swimming pool in that ship, sauna, steam, and whatever you want. I'll give you a helipad, but you can't go out. I'll build a separate palace for you inside the ship. I'll give you chariots. Inside the ship you can drive around. I'll give you all musical instruments. Inside the ship you can be playing. But don't ask me to anchor the ship. Whatsoever objects of desire are difficult to obtain in the realm of mortals, Ask them all as thou desirest. Those lovely maidens with their chariots and musical instruments such as are not obtained by mortals, be served by these whom I give to you. O Nachiketa, do not ask regarding death. How many of you will accept all the special things inside the ship instead of anchoring the ship? No, you may shake the head now, but you are doing it in your life. If you are postponing, aligning yourself to authenticity, you are doing this. You say, I'll just enjoy this and tomorrow I'll anchor. Today, bonda. Tomorrow, anchor. Just today I'll miss yoga and padapuja and do that. Tomorrow, it's okay. Is moving your ship along with the flow. When you say it is not okay, that is the anchor. If you are saying it's okay, the ship is moving in the current. See whether your life is running with it's okay or it is not okay. It's okay is the most dangerous pattern, can make even God into human being. It is not okay will make even man into God. Oh humanity, understand, don't put anchoring as the second priority, then the pleasures available inside the ship. All pleasures are inside the ship which is floating in the current of death fear, which is going to fall as a falls of death. It's like you are floating in the Kaveri in high speed. It is going to fall in Okenakal as a falls. And you are too busy enjoying the things which are in the boat. Did not bother to anchor or get into one bank and save yourself. Knowledge of death is anchoring. Enlightenment is getting down into the bank. Nachiketa is being told by Yama, do not ask regarding death. Anything else is okay. Do not ask regarding death. Anything else is okay. Ye ye kama durlabha martyaloke sarvan kaman chandata prartayasva imarama sarata sadurya nahi trushalambaniya manushyaih abhimarprattabi paricharayasva nachiketa maranam manuprakshuhu. Every time your inauthenticity comes up, don't be a past record of it's okay. Instead, be a possibility of it is not okay. Then you become more and more authentic. Authenticity stabilizes your being. Authenticity is the only thing which can crash and not disturb your being towards enlightenment. ये ये कामा दुर्लभा मर्त्यलोके सर्वान् कामान् चन्ततग् प्रार्थयस्व इमा रामा सरता sadurya. How he is describing visually, you see, lovely maidens with the chariots and musical instruments, such as are not obtainable by mortals. Be served by these whom I give it to you. Means what? All over your ship, I'll make it into gold, hang pearls, amazing servants, great bed, lie down, then I'll push you into the falls. Take bath, swim in the swimming pool. We will apply the sandal paste and all the scent perfume on you. Eat pizza, lie down, have a beautiful blanket, have the maiden served. Then we'll push the ship into the falls. Don't you understand? You will have a golden toilet in the ship. But don't ask about how to anchor. It's okay is flowing with the current. It is not okay is anchoring to protect yourself. So that today, Mahavagya you need to learn is, it is not okay. Gurukul kids, repeat. It is not okay. Not words. You have to learn body language also. It is not okay. Let this become your bio-memory from today's satsang. Okay? What Upanishad continues, we will continue in next satsangs.